Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will solve the quiz. The first question is print the given string. When we print, as you can see that the result is not same. The reason is that in this string there is /n and it has special meanings. It is used for new lines. That's why after C colon, string is printed on next line. There is two methods to remove this effect or to remove this issue. First, print and before string use R. It is raw string and it prints string as it is. Here you can see that the string is printed as it is. And the second method is the error occurred due to /n, and in this method we remove the special meaning of that. We use backslash to remove this special meaning of /n. And now you can check the string is printed as it is. Now comment these lines. The second question of the quiz is create variable with name $x and store 5 and with name $x and store $. When we create name with $x, there is error. Here you can see that there is error, invalid syntax. The reason is that there is some rules to writing the name of variable. Variable must start with the letter or underscore, and it contain only letter, numbers and underscore. It cannot contain special characters. That's why it create error. The second part of that question is create variable with x5 and store $. We create variable with name x5 and store $. We can store integer value, float value and string value. We cannot simply store $. It create error. We can store in single or double quote, and now it is string. As you can see, there is no error. And the third question is x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. Find the address of x and y. If both have same address, give reason. X is equal to 10 and y equal to 10. Now we print the address of both x and y. Here you can see both x and y have same address. Why? The reason is that when we create x is equal to 10, it creates a space in the memory where it stores 10. And when we create y equal to 10, instead of creating another space, y point the same address. Because both x and y have same value. And the main reason behind this is Python optimize memory utilization. And the fourth question is name is equal to Python print or fetch OY from name using string slicing. name equal to Python. Here you write the starting index from where we start. We write -2 because we want to start from O and it is on -2 index number. Then we write ending index. It is not mandatory to write the ending index. And here we write the steps. After all, we want to print y, that's why we write -3 steps, because from O it goes to y. Here you can see that OY is printed. You can watch 6th video about string slicing to clear your concept. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.